Hey up, welcome on board this 2024 Honda MSX125 SP. In other words, it's a Grom with some stickers on it. That's what it is, it's a Grom with stickers on it and gold wheels. I've just been and picked it up. I'm going to go and have some fun on it, and I thought I'd take you along with me. And I'll tell you what, I'm over the moon with it so far. What we've done on it now, 7 and a bit miles. Just pulled it out at showroom, and yeah, it's nice to be back on a mini bike. They're I think they're a bit of me really, mini bikes. So after selling the Monkey earlier year, I've been at a bit of a loss for a bike to get out and about on at weekends because, well, I've been doing other stuff. If you've seen the channel, I've been fettling something else. So I decided I'd go and get myself one of these, see what the fuss was all about. Them clouds don't look so sparkling, do they? It looks like it's going to hammer down on me any minute. So this is only a fast video for it, tell you what I think first up. Just my first impression really, and stick with me to end the video and I'll tell you exactly what I think of it. One thing I can tell you is the seat isn't as comfy as an Honda Monkey seat. It's a lot firmer. It's not as comfy, the seat. Which way am I going here? I got this wrong last time. I wonder if Dino and rest at Monkey Revolution will mind me playing out with them on my Grom. I found that out, haven't I? Tell you what though, I've just ridden into that place, Blackpool Honda, and they are fantastic in there. Can't knock them. Tremendous in there. Good staff, dead knowledgeable, proper friendly. Can't do enough for you really. And I've just rode in there on a CBR 500R. Lob batting and come out with this. And I'm miles happier sat on this than I was on that. Miles happier. Can't beat a bike with gold wheels. You just can't. Gold wheels on a bike are the one. They're like, gold wheels on a bike are like a piece of Victoria sponge cake with a brew. They're the ticket, aren't they? Half a tank of juice. I'd set off for Land's End on that. I wonder what it'll cost to fill her. They have got a bigger tank than the Monkey, these. I wonder what it'll cost to fill her now from where she's at to full. I found that out at way home as well. Anyway, I'm going to scarp her and I'll catch you a bit further up road. Right, I'm half an hour into my ride home and I'm loving this, absolutely loving it. She's nippy enough, fits through some gaps. Obviously, if you go into the front of something like this, you could do a timing it a bit better than that. This chain slackers out. Well, straight to the front of traffic. Spot on that. She's nippy enough. I've slid my arse back a bit further on seat as well, get it a bit comfier. And I think I'm going to whip strap off seat. Just whip that strap off there. So that's where my arse wants to sit, just there where the strap is, so we'll whisk that off when we get home, make her a bit comfier. That way, please. Oh yeah, there's something to be said for riding around on something small like this aimlessly. It's belting for your mental health. Gives you plenty of time for think, relax, and just enjoy yourself. With the added bonus that it's costing absolutely buttons for to do it. So I picked her up about, I don't know, maybe an hour ago, and I've just plodded round. I've gone through a city centre, Preston, stuck in traffic, weaved my way through some of that, and now I'm heading off out onto some of these twisty roads, and this is belting, this. Oh look, it's gone a bit cold. It's gone a bit cold and it feels like it's going to rain. But do you know what? That wouldn't put him off, would it? Gruffalo Scoot. Lashing down with rain, cold, won't put him off. He might do one of them reviews on some clobber. You know, waterproof clobber. Yeah, I remember him doing a review on some of that. What was he saying about it now? I don't know, he'll jump down in comments and he'll tell me what he thought of the waterproof clobber he tried out. But for the time being, there's no reviews happening. I think this is the best brand new bike I've ever bought. I forgot what that felt like though, when you nod or signal to other bikes and they see you on a minibike or a 125 and they ignore you. That's not good, is it? nearly back. Thanks for coming with me, picking this up, and you'll see a bit more of this over the coming weeks, because this is quickly going to become my favourite bike. We've enjoyed this first video on my Grom, first ride video I should say, on my Grom. Give us a big thumbs up, get down there in comments, let me know if you've got one or you fancy one. What have you done to yours, or what should I do to this? Let me know down there in comments. Get stuck in. Oh, that was nice, wasn't it? Big bonny house that then. Yeah, get stuck in down there in comments, and don't forget, give the video big thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I really appreciate that. And over the next couple of weeks I've got a big ride out coming for Cancer Research UK on the bike that's been taking all my time up lately, the old Fireblade what's been left at the bottom of a canal. Well, it's nearly time to go and do 2,000 miles in 3 days on that. So I'll get gone. I'll go and get myself a cup of tea somewhere now on my way back. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. See you later.